Hey there, Python enthusiasts. Welcome back to the channel where coding isn't just about writing lines of code, it's about writing lines of code with flair. Today we are Python. I know, decorators sound like something you hang on a Christmas tree. But trust me, they are way cooler than that. These little magic tricks can make your code cleaner and more elegant. So, if you're ready to learn how to decorate your classes in the way that I will make you look like a Python wizard, or at least make your code look like one, hit that like button and let's move computer screen and let's do a coding with laughing. So guys, in today's video of the object-oriented programming, I am telling you about the different phases of Python methods. So let's start and let's know about some different phases of the Python methods. First, instance methods. Instance methods operate on instances of the class and can access and modify the instance attributes. Okay, this one example it is showing me. Here you can see it, and in this example, this one example of the instance methods operate. And okay, let me copy the example and let me open my Visual Studio Code. So if you do not have the Visual Studio Code or you do not have to install it, so where you write your code? You write your code on the wall, okay, using the pen? No, you open your Visual Studio Code. So if you do not have download your Visual Studio Code, so I am here. Let me tell you how to download the Visual Studio Code. Okay, because I am here to construct you. Sorry, not construct you, to teach you. Okay, so let's start. So to download it, first of all you open your Google, and then when you open your Google, search Google here, and then search here your channel. Sorry, not channel, your text editor. Any text editor you will download it, but I suggest you to download the Visual Studio Code. For the small language, from beginner languages or advanced languages, use this text editor because this is the very easy text editor. Okay, click on the first link. So there are 3 points: Mac, Linux, and Windows. So you do not confuse it. Okay, you will download it on your Windows if you are on Windows, or if you are on Linux, download on Linux. If you are on Mac, download on Mac. I am on Windows, so I have already downloaded. So I did not download under time. Okay, so now let's open my Visual Studio Code. So now let's start to create our file. So if you don't know how to create a file and how to do that all things, so let me tell you. To create a file, you click on the file, then new file. Then you write your file name. My file name is index.py, so I am writing it index.py, and I am writing this in my documents. In the documents, create file, and then yes. When I make my file, then which code I copied, I am pasting here. And this type of one code I have written down. First of all, I create a one class by the name of person. Which class I create? I create a one class by the name of person. Then here I use a def keyword, and then I write like init self comma name comma age. I write here name variable, then age variable. Then in the 7th line, here I define hello, my name is, then I write like in the curly bracket self.name. In the name, I write alias. What I write alias. So you also write your name. I am writing my name Rayyan. Okay. So what is your name? You will be also write it. Then and I write and I am self.age. Then I write my and I am self.age in the curly brackets. Self.age means years old. Okay. In the self.age, I write my age is 25. Then let's see, it give me the output will be hello. My name is Rayyan and I am 25-year old. Let me show you. Save it and edit. So you can see it. It give me hello. My name is Rayyan. I am 25 years old. So this type of an output it is giving me. Because in the 10th and 11th line we use the usage. Okay. Minimize. Number 2, class method. So this is one code of the class method. So now in this class method, class methods operate on the class itself and are defined using the @class method decorator. They have access to the class via the CLS parameter. Now let me copy this video and let me paste it. Now save it and then run it. So now it is giving me tag crop and new tag crop. Why it is giving me tag crop? Then why it is giving me new tag crop? First of all, I create a one class by the name of employee. Then I create a one variable by the name of company underscore name. And in this variable, I write one string by the name of tag crop. Which type of string? Tag crop. Then I write @class method. In it, we use the def keyword. Then I write set underscore companies underscore name. Now CLS then name. Then we define our CLS dot company underscore name variable. In it, I write assignment operator the name. Then we define a usage. Then in the 10th line we write employee dot set underscore company underscore name. Then in the rounded brackets I write like new tag crop. What I write? New tag crop. So let's see which type of output will give me. Save it and run it. So now it is giving me this type of output. Here you can see it. Let me minimize it. And why it is giving me this type of output? Like I have told you, class method operate on the class itself and are defined using the @class method decorator, and they have access to the class via the CLS parameter. Number 3, static methods. Static methods don't access or modify instance or class attributes. Okay, they are used for utility or helper functions. Let me show you this one code. It is showing you. Let me copy this code and paste it. Save it and then run. So now it is giving me output in the 8. Why it giving me 8? Because 5 plus 3. But here are first of all result variable, then math utils, then I write dot add 5 3. Okay, 5 3. But why it is giving me 5 3? 5 is a variable and 3 is a b variable. How? Here you can see it. 5 is a variable and 3 is a b variable. So then in the 4th line I write return a plus b. What I write? A plus b. So a plus b means 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. So if I changes it to the multiply, so it will give me 15. Here you can see it. Why? Because 5 multiplied by 3 is equals to 15. So here you can see, or I write divide sign. So now it is giving me 1.866666666667. Here you can see it. So like that. Or you write minus. So now it give me 2. Here you can see it. Now, why does it be like this? Because the static method don't access or modify instance or class attributes. They are used for utility or helper functions. Number 4, magic dunder methods. These special methods enable operator overloading and custom behavior for built-in operations. Okay, this is one example it is showing you. Copy this and paste it. So let me save it and then run it. So now it is giving me output vector in the rounded bracket 4,6. Here you can see it. 4,6. Why is it giving me 4,6 like this? And you can see it like this because first of all 4 plus 1 is 5. Let me comment it here. Save it and 4 6. Now 4 6. Let's comment it here up. So first of all, I define here one self x means x variable plus other x. Okay, other x. It's then self y then plus other y. So 3 plus 2 is 5. Okay, then 5 plus 1 is 6. So that's why they're giving me 6 and 4 means 4 and 6. Okay, like this. If I write here, if I write here 2, so now it give me 7. Sorry, 5. Here you can see it. Like this type of one output to give me. Now if I write 10, now 13. You can see it. Like this. Now let me minimize it. And why it is giving me like this? Because like I've told you, these special methods are enable operator overloading and custom behavior for built-in operations. Number 5, property methods. Property method used at the property decorator to manage instance attribute with the getter and setter behavior. And this one example is already showing you. Copy it and paste it. Now this all the code, okay, you will be copied. Okay, now in the 14 line, I write here raise value error, radius must be positive. Save it and run it. Then it give me 5 and 10. Here you can see it, because in the 17 the circle is 5, and in the radius I write, in the 19 line of the radius I write 10. So that's why output is giving me 5 and 10. Number 6, abstract methods. Abstract methods are defined in abstract based classes ABCS and must be implemented in derived class. And this one example it is showing you. Okay, copy it and then paste it. Now here you can see it, save it and run it. So now it will give me in the output it will give me woof, because in the 10th line I write written woof, so that's why it will give me only woof. And now number 7 line, overridden methods. Overridden methods provide a one custom behavior in derived classes by redefining a method from the base class. And this one example it is showing you. Copy it and paste it. Now save it and run it. So now it will give me child method. Why did not give me the parent method? Like I have told you here, the overridden method provide a one custom behavior in derived class by redefining the methods from the base class. So in today's video of the Python, I told you about the in the Python very beautiful video about the different features of the Python methods. If you enjoy this video, like, share and subscribe. Okay. And there are you have it folks. That's how you can add some flair to your classes using OOP decorators in Python. I hope you now feel like a decorator pro. If you found this video helpful or just enjoy the ride, be sure to hit that like button or subscribe for more Python fun. Got any question or want to see more cool Python tricks? Drop a comment below and I will catch you in the next one. Until then, happy coding and keep decorating your code.